10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Start. The Supreme Court today, in bracket July 29 bracket out, sought responses from the Union and All India Institute of Medical Sciences in bracket AIIMS bracket out in a petition challenging the reservation quota for institutional preference that exceeds 50% in postgraduate admissions stop. The petitioner has challenged the over-reservation or super-reservation of seats under institutional preference in the postgraduate admissions as being a violation of Articles 14 and 19 in bracket 1 in bracket G of the Constitution stop. The institutional preference quota is essentially an internal reservation system where a percentage of postgraduate admission seats are reserved for MBBS students belonging to the general category already studying at AIIMS stop para. The plea contends that several institutes which form part of the National Importance Combined Entrance Test have granted seats under the institutional preference beyond the 50% limit set by the Supreme Court stop. In the said decision, the court upheld the constitutionality of the 50% enhanced from 25% as set in AIIMS Students Union versus AIIMS and others stop institutional preference quota in PG admissions to AIIMS stop. The court had clarified that this was only an interim measure and directed the state to develop a mechanism to ensure fair allocation of seats based on merit stop. However, the petitioner claims that these directions have not been acted upon even after 21 years stop. During the hearings, the CJI pointed out that the issue contended is at two levels: 1. The application of the quota in the form of reservations, and 2. Such reservations exceeding the limit of 50% stop. They have done two things, they have applied reservation and in some disciplines, the reservation has exceeded 50% stop. Counsel for the petitioner, Senior Advocate P.B. Suresh, informed the court that in some instances the reservation for the institutional preference quota has exceeded 100% stop para. Taking note of the same, the bench led by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra argued to issue notice in the petition stop court. Okay, we will issue notice, let's see what they have to say, we will keep it next week stop decode, the CJI said stop. The petition has been filed by a doctor who secured an All India rank of 287 in the INICET for the July 2024 session but was not awarded a single seat at any INICET institute after 2 rounds of counselling stop. The petition argues that seats reserved for the unreserved category were allocated to existing students of INICET institutes stop. At AIIMS Delhi, students with ranks in the tens of thousands were granted seats while the petitioner was not stop. It is pertinent to note that at AIIMS, Delhi itself, students with ranks in the tens of thousands have been granted seats. For example, a student with rank 10,721 has been granted a seat while the petitioner has not stopped para. The petitioner contends that this preference was not meant to be at the cost of merit or to promote mediocrity stop. It may also be noted that this honorable court, while delivering its judgments in the aforementioned judgments, has very clearly stated that merit is paramount stop. It is respectfully submitted that the intent of this honorable court stop over. तो दोस्तों, ये डिक्टेशन लीजिए और बताइए कैसी लगी. लीक से हट का डिक्टेशन है, एकदम कल का जजमेंट है ये, ठीक है. कमेंट करके बताइएगा स्पीड कैसी है. उससे ट्रांसक्राइब करना हो तो वेबसाइट पे जाके आप ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकते हैं. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.